Is it time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we will take an in-depth look at Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our recently launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, at StockInvest.us. Harness the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is intended for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 21st of January, 2025, our system has ranked Palantir as a hold or accumulate, assigning it a score of -0.33. Now let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Throughout this period, the stock has exceeded our expectations, achieving a gain of 45.42% since we first recommended purchasing Palantir just 22 days ago. This results in an average return of 2.06% per day since it was classified as hold or accumulate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further growth is anticipated. The trend observed over the past 3 months points to a potential change of 54.09% in the upcoming 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 22.52% to 82.89%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it indicates a change of 148.87% over the next year, with potential returns between 47.58% and 193.28%. This projects a price range between $156.82 to $311.63 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for Palantir includes the headline, "Volatile Ride for Palantir Stock Price on Thursday, moving between $95.80 and $107.40. The Palantir stock price fell by 5.18% on the last day Thursday, the 20th of February, 2025, from $112.06 to $106.26. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 12.11%, from a day low at $95.80 to a day high of $107.40. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days and is up by 4.83% over the past 2 weeks. Volume has increased on the last day by 105 million shares, but at falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, and the risk will be slightly elevated over the next couple of days. In total, 240 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $25.55 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $125.41, while the lowest price was $20.33. Currently, the price is 15.27%, or $19.15, below the 52-week high of $125.41, which is also the all-time high for the stock. Palantir Technologies, traded under the ticker PLTR, has experienced significant volatility recently, with its stock plunging by approximately 20% since last Wednesday. This decline primarily stems from investor concerns regarding CEO Alex Karp's planned sale of 10 million shares and potential cuts to the Pentagon's budget. However, many analysts remain optimistic about the stock, suggesting that Palantir's defense contracts are secure, particularly amid anticipated increases in information technology budgets that may offset budget cuts targeting less critical programs. Despite the current sell-off, Palantir stock has shown a remarkable 388.7% increase over the past year, following a strong resurgence from its initial public offering. The company started 2025 on a high note, rallying over 35% year-to-date. Investors are viewing the recent dip as a potential buying opportunity, with experts emphasizing the stock's recovery potential, especially as it tests critical support levels. In the short term, the fluctuations in PLTR's stock may cause uncertainty among investors. However, if the defense contracts remain intact and the company's fundamentals hold strong, there could be substantial upside in the long term. The current market conditions present both risks and opportunities, as retail investors are continuously drawn to artificial intelligence-based stocks like Palantir. The company's ability to navigate these challenges will be crucial for future stock performance. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 12th of February, 2025, it was reported that Bank of America Securities assigned PLTR a buy rating accompanied by a hold action. On Tuesday, the 4th of February, 2025, UBS rated PLTR as neutral with a hold action. On the same day, RBC Capital assigned PLTR an underperform rating with a hold action. Additionally, Jefferies also rated PLTR as underperform with a hold action on that day. Finally, on Friday, the 31st of January, 2025, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR a cautious rating along with a downgrade action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Palantir stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have issued a neutral rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for Palantir. The Palantir stock presents a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, it simultaneously shows a buy signal from the long-term average. With the short-term average positioned above the long-term average, there is an overall buy signal for the stock, indicating a positive outlook. If the stock experiences further gains, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $115.72. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at about $87.83. A breakout above the short-term average will generate a buy signal, while a drop below the long-term average will trigger a sell signal. Additionally, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact short-term developments. A sell signal emerged from a pivot top point on Tuesday, February 18, 2025, and the stock has since fallen by 14.73%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Notably, volume increased alongside falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning sign indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals you might find insightful. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots demonstrated a sell signal 3 days ago. Bollinger showed a buy signal 29 days ago. The short-term moving average indicated a sell signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 23 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy 19 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 22 days ago. The long-term moving average provided a buy signal 180 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 168 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you wish to discover more signals. Let's discuss the support, risk, and stop loss associated with Palantir. Palantir currently finds support from accumulated volume at 103.83. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is anticipated when the support is tested. The stock is known for its significant daily fluctuations, which indicates high volatility. The Bollinger Band analysis suggests a very large prediction interval, categorizing this stock as very high risk. Over the past day, the stock experienced a movement of $11.60 between its highest and lowest points, which translates to a change of 12.11%. Additionally, in the last week, the stock has averaged a daily volatility of 7.84%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for Palantir, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio. This crucial ratio measures a company's current share price relative to its per-share earnings. This extremely high price-to-earnings ratio suggests that the stock could be overvalued. However, it is not uncommon for technology companies or those with significant market potential to have such elevated ratios. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is expected on the 5th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are at 11 cents. Keep an eye on these numbers as they can greatly impact stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Palantir. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at 110.85. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir faces its first support level at 103.83. If this support level remains intact, it may present a favorable entry point, anticipating a potential rebound. The combined average rating for Palantir from various analyst sources is to sell. Now let's examine some recent insider trades. The 5 most recent insider trades were conducted by Planishek Heather A., who bought and sold 13,891 shares or options in the company. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 23.881. In total, insiders acquired 12,582,452 shares and sold 20,576,174 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $101.31, reflecting a decline of 4.66%. This stock experiences substantial daily fluctuations, which introduces a significant level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal indicated by a pivot top that was identified 2 days ago. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Palantir presents several positive signals. However, we do not find these sufficient to classify it as a buy candidate at this time. Currently, it is more appropriate to consider it as a hold or accumulate candidate while we await further developments. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, the 21st of February, we anticipate that Palantir will open down by $3.11, starting at $103.15. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.